This is third type of function. In previous lecture, we discussed one function as well as many one function. Now, in this video, we will discuss onto function. Now, as well as definition is concerned, the definition of onto function is if each element of B has its pre-image in A, then function is onto function. यहाँ पे ध्यान देने वाली बात है each element of B. This is under, मैं इसको अंडरलाइन करता हूं, each element of B. Each element of B has its pre-image in A, then the function is onto function. That means B का कोई भी एलिमेंट ऐसा ना हो जिसका प्री इमेज A में ना हो. Alright? That means अगर इसको मैं मैपिंग करता हूं, सपोज वेन डायग्राम से मैं इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं, दिस इज A, दिस वन इज B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is P, Q, R, S. 1 is related to P, 3 is related to Q, 2 is related to R, and 4 is related to S. Then these P, Q, R, S has pre-image in A. Each element of B has its pre-image in A. अगर मैं इसको ऐसे लिखता हूं, that means pre-image F inverse of P is equal to 1, F inverse of Q is equal to 3, same as F inverse of R is equal to 2 and F inverse of S is equal to 4. That means each element of B has its pre-image in A. ऐसे फंक्शन को हम onto फंक्शन बोलते हैं. ऐसा फंक्शन onto फंक्शन कहलाता है. हम इसको सिंपल तरीके से एक और एग्जांपल लेके हम इसको समझते हैं कि हमारे पास A है and B है. A is related to B by some function. हमारे पास A में है 1, 2, 3, 4 and B में है P, Q, R, S. Now, 1 is related to Q, 3 is also related to Q, 2 is related to P, and 4 is related to S. Then we can say as the pre-image of P is 2, not 1. Pre-image of P, pre-image of Q, R, and S. The pre-image of P is 2. The pre-image of Q is 1. The pre-image of R is no. R has no pre-image and the pre-image of S is 4. Alright, that means the pre-image of Q is also 1 and 3. The pre-image of Q is 1 and 3. The pre-image of P is 2. The pre-image of Q is 1 and 3. And the pre-image of R has no image. And the pre-image of S is 4. Here, R has no pre-image in A. R has no pre-image in A. That function is not an onto function. Sorry, that function is not that function is not onto function. मतलब इस टाइप का फंक्शन onto फंक्शन नहीं होगा जिसका प्री इमेज ए में ना हो. दैट मीन्स हमारे डोमेन में ना हो. दैट मीन्स इसके सारे के सारे जो भी इमेज है उसका एक प्री इमेज ए में होना चाहिए. सारे के सारे जो भी आउटपुट्स हैं उसका प्री इमेज ए में होना चाहिए। अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो फंक्शन ऑन टू फंक्शन नहीं होगा। इट्स वेरी सिंपल। ठीक है, बस इसमें इतना ही है। थैंक यू सो मच।